Hello my friends, welcome to Instant Electronic channel. This is Uncle Misha, and today we got yet another little package from eBay. Let's see what we got and if it's operational. It's looks like it was packaged willy-nilly because yeah, it's like DIY packaging here. Alright, I hope it was not damaged because looks like it was not much of a packaging. Alright, so what do we have? We have Aiwa mini disc player with external power bank or power source, which is actually pretty cool. Oh, nice! Look at that. DC 4.5 volts. That's nice. Okay. What kind of battery is here? Looks like this is original AA battery, no corrosion. Very nice. Oh, it's actually quite hefty unit, I must say. Alright, looks like ejection here is a bit limpy. So definitely we'll need some attention to this guy. So yeah, I don't know why it's so limpy. So here is... Oh wow, original battery is still in here. Hey! So it's probably Datsky and Gonski. Let me check what's going on with this guy. Let's take a multimeter here. DC, probably gone, but 0 0 0 0 0 0 0. All right. So yeah, as dead as it can be, but nevertheless. So this is good to have, just for reference. It's cool to have this battery. I do have my battery kind of replacement for this guy, and yeah, for Aiwas and GVC as well. So, but we have this unit, and we can. It says 4.5, so it's like DC 4.5 volts, and here is 1.5. Like, it's weird. But what can I say? Lock. Let's open it. Let's get... I'm not sure how fresh is this battery. It doesn't look too good to me. Oh wow. Shit. What the f... Seriously? Uh-oh. Oh my god, look at this. What the hell? Disgusting. How about all these guys? Okay, I'm gonna pause here because that's unrelated to the video. Alright, I've cleaned up everything and got more or less operational battery. It's 1.5 volt. Let's plop it in and let's try to play something. Oh, I've heard noise. I've heard noise. Ah! Low battery. Oh, okay, so this battery is probably not in the best shape as well. So, but it was some signs of life. Okay, so I don't really think I have a actually good battery sitting around, but that's okay. We can solve this problem. We can solve this problem by using Sony PlayStation Portable Power Supply, which happens to have this connector, which actually happens to fit here perfectly. And you see what I see? Alright, I already plopped the disc in here, and let's see. Voila! Essentially, we have this dude operational. Okay, this power supply is actually pulling it down, so I'm gonna just sit it here. Let me take headphones, Sony headphones, and see what audio we're gonna get out. So we have output. Oh, whoa. What's that supposed to mean? Open. Open what? Okay, looks like we have a little bit of a problem, so we definitely have to get in this unit and clean it up. Open. Okay. Let's open. I see. So yeah, this something is having bad day here, but at least the laser is working and it's reading the disk. Looks like. Does it? Oh. Oh, what? It was just working. Let's stop this guy. Let's shut it down. Let's open this again. Let's insert it back. So looks like we have some intermittent issues here. Oh yeah, this is better. This is sounding better now. Yeah, now it plays. So yeah, we definitely have issue either with contact or with mechanical things which need to be properly positioned. Let me insert the headphones again, like nicely. All right. And I hear nothing. I hear nothing. Let me see. I hear completely nothing. Okay. Fair. That's fair. Not fair, but like because I pay some money for it. Cheap, of course, but hear no music. Unless it doesn't like 4 pins here. That's possible. I've heard it once. Oh yeah, okay. Yeah. Yeah, looks like this guy is a little bit finicky. So I have to stop it again. Shut it down. Yeah, no music output whatsoever. All right. Okay, so definitely we have an issue that we have to address. Okay, well, so, I mean, we see that laser is working, and we see that unit is actually, like, you know, probably 75% operational. Okay, without the, because probably input is working, I don't know, but the headphone output is not. So what we have to do, we have to take this unit apart and understand what's happening. So definitely going to be doing this in separate video, because here it's already kind of this was like unboxing and exploration video. Nevertheless, I'm pretty happy about the purchase. It's almost working. I think we can bring it back to life. We have this battery compartment, which is definitely very useful thing to have. And everything else seems to be in a good shape. Unit is in good shape. It's actually metal. This is all metallic. Seems to be everything is metal. And this little bit of dirt here, which is kind of probably some sticky residue, which is going to be cleaned up. It's going to be look nice. But unit itself in really good shape. Yep, I'm pretty happy about the purchase. Now we're gonna have a second video where we're looking at this Aiwa. Well, I didn't even say what the model is. Aiwa AM-F80. Okay, AM-F80. This is what it is. Yeah, so everything seems to be. Oh, here it says MD Disc Recorder AM-F80. Everything is nice here except the fact this actually doesn't output sound, which is a shame. Okay, so guys, if you want to see repair of this unit, please stay tuned for a new video. But in the meantime, stay safe and ciao. See you next time.